Hello everyone, welcome to the Cloud Network. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to install Apache Zookeeper with cluster 3.4.6 is the latest version. I am going to install in Ubuntu server 15.04 64 is supported. So this is a video on making step-by-step procedure. You can also install in Debian, Linux Mint, and Ubuntu, Ubuntu also you can also install desktop and server also 32-bit or 64-bit supported. You can also install the same method, the same procedure need to follow that I am going to show you every step and every command you can find below to my video in the description box. So let us begin now. So first of all, Zookeeper cluster is known as symbol and is required majority of assembling up to up. So it's the best to have an odd number of server running Zookeeper. So I'm going to install it on 3 nodes and one of them will be a master nodes. So first of all, for that one, system requirement we need to have is GNU Linux is supported as a development and the production platform for the both server and client also supported. So you can also install Windows 32. Mac also is supported as a development platform for both the server and the clients. So requirement you need to have software is first of all Zookeeper runs in Java, so it requires 1.6 or greater than version of the Java. You can install Jdk above the version of 7 or 8 also. The latest one is 8 are running, so you can have a dual core processor also. You need to have dual core processor and you need to have 2 GB of RAM, and then you need to have 80 GB of hard disk free space you need to have. So this is a website where you can see zookeeper.apache.org, where you can find tutorials, documents and other kinds of structure things are there in a Zookeeper. So first of all I am going to installing Oracle Jdk. So for this installing Oracle Jdk, here is first step 1, step 2, step 3 is a procedure for installing JDK. Just you need to type this command and in place of 8 you can give previously version like 7.6 also you can give. So for this GRE, and the step 2 is for installing JDK. So you can install either step 1 or step 2. Step 3 is for verify the version of this. So after that you can verify your which version you have installed the Java. It also show the architecture like 64-bit 30-bit also it show, and you can see the website where you can download the from the HTML also Java. And for this is your above step 2 is for downloading from the terminal. And there is also 2 websites where you can download the Java, and there is a tutorial I have made on installation on Java. Just you need to click on watch my video where you can watch how to install GRE or JDK. So after that I'm going to download the Zookeeper. So here is the procedure, step 4, step 5, 6, 7, 8 are the procedure. I'm going to first of all I'm going to inside the file type like in opt. I will go inside, then I'm going to download this Apache Zookeeper. Step 5, step 6 you can download either you can download any one. Step 7 is to we need to unzip, and step 8 to we need to go to inside the folder. Then we need to open the configuration file of this zoo.crg. You can use nano or vi also. You can use, we need to type this as it is. You need to just copy and paste, and need to assign the IP address here. And then step 13 is to open the configuration file of Zookeeper again. So then after that these are need to create some directory. After that I'm going to create one my id file for each node can identify itself. So step 15 is for the procedure. I'm going to creating a node, and then where 1 is your node number, so you can put 2 also for the next node. So you can put 3 also. Once you have each node set up, you can start Zookeeper by issuing the each node. So this is a 16 step to start the Zookeeper. And now you can check if it is each node is working or not with the command 17 is a procedure to check whether each node is working or not. So here is your server.1, server.3 are the nodes. So my friend, here is the Apache Zookeeper is there. So you can download here by clicking here on the release page. So you can find the documentation of this release here. And once comes to your Java, here you can download the JDK. You need to click here. When you click here, you will be come on the page. You need to accept the license agreement first of all, and here is a 32-bit and here is a 64-bit supported. So you need to download either the tar or RPM. For Linux, for Ubuntu you need to download tar.gz. So once you download and install, it will be automatically start downloading. So here is the same website where you can see GRE also is downloading. So here is my tutorial which I have made how to install Oracle 7 or 8 Jdk during Ubuntu. So this also you can find below to my description box also this link. So here I am using and my Ubuntu 15.04 server. So on the screen you can see this is my Ubuntu 15.04 version and having IP address this one. So let us first of all check Java whether installed in my system. Type Java, give space, type give space hyphen version. So once you click, you can see 8 is the latest version, 64-bit. That's about it. If you want to install, just type here sudo type apt hyphen get install use jdk use hyphen here give 7 or 8 version you can give here, give hyphen, you need to type jdk or here you can use grek, right, this one. Yeah, after that you need to press enter, which I have already done and installed. So I am going inside this /opt. Now you need to type this wget hyphen q and this is a link. This is a version 4.3.4.6 the latest version, tar.gz. Press enter. So here just sudo use wget type. After that you need to press and enter. So on the screen you can see it's a 17 MB is the file, and check before you are downloading the version, you can see on the screen. So after download, let us check. Now need to extract here tar hyphen zf, give a space, you need to give here zoo, press a tab to get for command, press enter. Now use sudo type tar use hyphen xzf, or also you can use vf also, use zoo, press a tab. Now you need to press enter here. Now clear this one, type ls. Now we need to go to inside this folder, type cd zoo, type ls. Now use here nano, you can use vi also according to your favorite. You need to use, just type config, use here and need to type zone. Now we need to create one configuration file for the Zookeeper. Just type nano, we can use vi also according to favorite. Just give a space, config, type zoo.cfg. After that you need to press and enter. So you need to, it will be empty file configuration, it will open. Now we need to copy and paste this configuration file. Once you done this pasting file, this is the quick time I am setting. This is the directory where it is going to be have installed Zookeeper data, and this is the client port, and this is the initial element secret resolution, and this is your node 1, node 2, node 3, and this is the IP address, and this is your port number which I have given. So just press Ctrl X and Y to save this file. Now I am going to create a directory, type mkdir use hyphen p where /lib use /zookeeper. Okay, so just press and enter. So use here sudo here. Now that's completed. Now here I am going to create my ID file so that each node can identify itself. So here is one is nothing but that's going to be create a node, so you can place 1 or 2 also. So if you get permission, just go to your root, that's it, and use this paste line. So once you log in into the root, just copy and paste this line. Now it's okay. Now I'm going to start this Zookeeper now by by pressing this command to start the Zookeeper. Press and enter. Now this we can see on screen is have started Zookeeper. Now I'm going to checking this node working or not. Just paste this and give the IP address of your node here exactly and press and enter. So on the screen you can see it's connecting.